She dusted my ends, baby. But I have been growing this with my biotin pills, drinking my water, and minding my black-owned business. Yes, baby. This one right here, I feel like if Olivia Pope and Claire Huxtable were sisters and they had a sister and she was like a perfect mix of both of them, had all the good parts hair-wise, you got Miss Vanya. Yes, baby. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. It's your girl Mika Lynn. Here we are. Quick update. This is Outre's Vanya. She is a unit that came out a couple of weeks ago. I did a review. Long story short, I think she is holding up really nicely, baby. No Humpty Dance up top. The layers still look good. The curls have not fallen, which can happen with these kinky straight coarse units. Now, don't get me wrong, she's got a little bite, okay? She's got a little bite to her. I think this came out really good. It's not even ratty. She's been out of the box, like I said, and I think, baby, she is like in the top 5, no lie. For everyday units, I am loving Miss Vanya. So if you are interested in checking out the video for this look, definitely click the eye in the corner. It will take you to the video. I will also try to remember to link it down below. And then before we get into this video, let's do a quick check-in. And I have just a really random, off the top of my head question. What are 3 character traits that you are looking to improve on this year? For me, number 1 is my patience. Number 2 is standing firm and 10 toes down on what I say and what I say I'm gonna do. And number 3 is self-love and confidence in my natural state. Okay, it's one thing to be like this, honey. Okay, but I definitely want to improve on the natural state confidence and the self-love. So drop those character traits down below. I would definitely appreciate that. And now, baby, listen, I know y'all get tired of me saying this, but here it comes. I'm excited. Okay. I've already started to open the box. I'm already that excited. So we are going to go ahead and get into Miss Melted Hairline Kalani, baby. Ew. She is giving me everyday vibes based off the length. I think I will be brushing this unit out. We're gonna play it by ear. So I'm looking at the parting space. It looks really, really good, y'all. Look at that. Okay, Outre, dare I say, y'all bringing them hairlines back.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me.
Okay, so it's falling a little short on this side. No big deal. So since I'm not going for scalp in this area, I'm just gonna take nice random old Sharpie and color this in. Voila. Bam, baby. I'm actually gonna break out something that I've had for a minute, and I have not used this yet. So this right here is by Even New York. This is their Wonder Lace Balm Adhesive Spray. This is the Extreme Firm Hold Active can. So I'm gonna attempt to use this as a gel. Okay, so we're gonna do the same with the rest of this. And I'm just gonna take the baby hairs and kind of swoop them down, push them down a little bit. Nothing that's too neat.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love.
Get into it. Get into it. Do I look like I am hair goals right now? Like I just came from the salon, baby, with the fresh roller set. She dusted my ends, baby. But I have been growing this with my biotin pills, drinking my water, and minding my black-owned business. Yes, baby. And the reason I was so excited for this one is because it is another everyday unit. I love these lengths. This is realistic. They look so natural. So I love when they give us these everyday work appropriate units. Clock me where, boo? Clock me where? Now I know this dramatic bang is not going to be for everyone. You can tame it if you do wish. However, y'all know me, I'm extra. I need the bang, and it's bangity banging, baby. The layers look really good in here. The ends actually flip out, kind of giving you kind of that 60s vibe. Now you can wear it like that if you decide to brush it out. However, I decided to brush the curls in just to give it a little bit more of a style that's appropriate for me. Now this go around, I could have cut a little bit more in the parting space, so I did just follow up with that lace bond glue or spray just to get it to lay flat so it wouldn't be clockable under these lights. But I think this hairline looks so freaking good. I'm still able to tuck it behind my ear and it's not clockable. It blends in with your own hair. And of course, when it comes to styling these units, I'll say it time and time again, when you install it the first time, you are good to go from here on out. They are literally plop and goes. Still 100% glueless. Put some respect on the sleigh. So if you are interested in checking out the information for Miss Kalani, definitely check out the description box. It will have a direct link to the Google search. Big thank you to Outre for sending out the unit, but most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button before you go. Drop your girl a comment down below, and of course share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, please. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.